This is the ThermoShift sleeping bag by Travelbird. A versatile sleeping bag, poncho, bottom quilt, and it can even become a double sleeping bag when two are connected together. The ThermoShift sleeping bag is your perfect camping companion. Made to withstand temperatures from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, built with water and wind-repellent nylon fabrics, and a heat-reflective film to keep you toasty warm and comfortable all through the night. To set up the ThermoShift into sleeping bag mode, cinch the bottom elastic to seal in the warmth. And if you get too hot, you can always loosen the elastic to let cool air in. And for those extra cold nights, the removable hood can be used to keep you even warmer. Unlike a traditional sleeping bag, the ThermoShift can be used as a poncho for all-day comfort in and around camp. To convert the ThermoShift into a poncho, simply unzip from sleeping bag mode, slip it over your head, and clip your sleeves into place. And if it's feeling extra brisk and breezy out, you can attach the included hood and even clip the poncho together, trapping in more warmth. You'll never have to worry about getting too cold at your campsite or having to quickly snuggle back into your tent when the sun goes down. You can also add the ThermoShift beneath your hammock as an underquilt, trapping in extra warmth, creating a nice fluffy cocoon. To attach the underquilt, simply pull the elastic ropes on both sides and clip to the hammock for a perfectly snug fit. Need a bigger sleeping bag? Simply zip two ThermoShift sleeping bags together to create a double sleeping bag. The ThermoShift is small, lightweight, machine washable, and compact enough to take with you on any adventure. The ThermoShift sleeping bag by Travelbird, your ultimate adventure companion.